他还是对着深圳的领导讲，你们要大胆一点，你们要发展快一点。这小组讨论的发言里面，习仲勋就说，广东那么困难，经济那么落后，主要还是上面捅得太死了，中央捅得太死了。邓小平就肯定习仲勋，就是要杀出一条血路来，叫他要杀出一条血路来。
And for the first entry of foreign-funded companies into China in the 4 special economic zones that were created in the early 80s, primarily that was aimed at the overseas Chinese, primarily at Hong Kong businesses to move their production from Hong Kong into Guangdong and a couple of other places. And then later, as that was shown to be successful and in the interests of the Chinese people and the Chinese economy, so it was broadened to other countries, other peoples, and a wider area of activity. And anything that's ice-breaking, we're known as the icebreakers, anything that's ice-breaking always involves controversy, always involves people arguing about whether you should or you shouldn't take the risk. They did take the risk. They knew us. They knew we wouldn't try and fool them, make idiots of China or anything like that at all. And then began a big increase of foreign investment into China for development of the Chinese market. So it's an exercise that results from a decision to prioritize economic development.
I think that's something which has been in China for some time, opening to new ideas, opening to the world, China playing a stronger role in the world. But what you've seen is a deepening of that story. For example, the One Belt, One Road, which is about relationships with some of the countries that are nearer, but also with the Middle East and Africa. So the opening has been there, but I think we're seeing new dimensions to the opening.